Hello techies. In this session, we will learn what are the features available with Duet AI for Google Workspace. Google is rolling out a bunch of generative AI models and tools across its Workspace apps and cloud, including an expansion of the promised Duet AI, its personal virtual assistant. Google's focus with Duet AI is on improving efficiency, productivity, and creativity for workers. The idea is to provide every user with an AI assistant they can use to streamline repetitive tasks like writing emails or planning a project. Google has already provided insights into what Duet AI can do across the workplace portfolio, sharing unique capabilities for each app, such as help me write, create images and presentations, help me organize, improving meeting outcomes, Duet AI for workspace chart, AI building blocks. Let me explain you one by one. Let me start with Help Me Write feature. The Help Me Write feature in Google Docs and Gmail uses Google's large language model to generate documents and email responses based on the prompts. Within Docs, user will see a magic wand button they can click to load the Duet AI interface. All you need to do is to tell the bot what you need, such as an essay or an email, and the algorithm will do the rest. It can even help refine your existing documents or improve your grammar. If you're writing a content from the scratch, you can ask for new versions using to recreate button. Along with that, users can fine-tune generated content with the formalize, elaborate, shorten, or I am feeling lucky buttons. When announcing the general availability of Duet AI for Workspace, Google also revealed users can now use the Help Me Write feature on the mobile. Next feature, create images and presentation, that is Google Slides. Within Google Slides app, Duet AI can help you to create new presentations or update your existing documents with text, chart, and images. Users enter a prompt after clicking on the magic wand button, then the algorithm creates 6 to 8 images. This means you can choose the best option for every presentation. You can also select an image and refine it further with additional prompts. Duet AI can visualize entirely new concepts from scratch, so the opportunity for creating unique images is limitless. Moreover, if you need to help finishing up your presentation, Duet AI can generate the text too. It can create speaker notes for your slides to help guide you through your presentation. You can even implement data from Gmail and other environments into each slide. Next feature, Help Me Organize with Google Sheets. Organizing and analyzing data can be time consuming even with an app as convenient as Google Sheets. Fortunately, Duet AI is here to help us. In Google Sheets, Duet AI for Workspace can automatically classify data and create custom plans for your business. All you need to do is describe what you want to accomplish, and the algorithm will get to work. It can understand the context of data in a cell, assign labels, and summarize input. It automatically creates custom plans for tasks, projects, and activities. Google says whether you are analyzing the sentiment of user feedback or summarizing input for interviews, you can save time with this quick organize function, that is, help me organize. Next feature, improving meeting outcomes. The new workspace function has various tools to help make meetings more effective. Duet AI for Google Meet could be the perfect solution. It can help ensure you look and sound your best with studio lighting, studio look, and studio sound. You can leverage dynamic tiles and face detection if you struggle to ensure everyone is seen and heard in the meeting. This gives everyone in a meeting room their own distinct title. Google also announced the arrival of automatically translated captions in 18 languages. The Meet system will automatically detect when other language is spoken and display real-time translation. Additionally, Duet AI helps remove the burden of note-taking during conferences. The solution can capture real-time notes, video snippets, and action items. User click the Take Note for Me button and the AI app will automatically send a summary to attendees after meeting. It can even help people arriving late to a meeting to get up to date with a summary so far snapshot of everything they have missed. Users who do not attend a meeting can benefit by using the Attend for Me button. This allows the AI tool to join the discussion on a user's behalf and share their messages. Next feature, Duet AI for Workspace Chat. Not every conversation requires a formal meeting. Duet AI for Workspace Chat is making messaging simpler for teams who prefer to collaborate asynchronously. The tool comes alongside a complete refresh to the Google Chat interface. Google Chat now features enhanced search, new shortcuts, and the option to talk to Duet AI, ask questions, get summaries of documents, and catch up on missed conversations. Along with that, when users need to talk in real time, there's the huddles in chat feature is available. This allows users to instantly switch to voice conference within the collaboration tool they are already using. Google positions huddles as audio first impromptu conversations. Powered by Meet, they allow users to share thoughts in real time without scheduled meeting. You can even draw up to 500,000 participants into a huddle with Google. The company also brings Duet AI to email with an enhanced smart reply feature in Gmail. Next and last feature, AI building blocks. The Help Me Write feature is not the only thing coming to the docs from the Duet AI. Google is also introducing a handy building blocks feature. This enables businesses to create personalized content in minutes, such as job descriptions, with customizable smart chips. These smart chips act as the placeholders for the information like location, name, or status, and the variables for elements you might want to customize later on. Google also noted its upgraded neural models for grammar are there to help everyone improve the quality of their content. You can access assistance with proofreading, tone, and style presented in a suggestion pane alongside your document. Google even tackling users' issues by crafting custom prompts from scratch. The AI solution can give prompt suggestions by analyzing document content. I hope you understand the different features of Duet AI for Google Workspace as part of this tutorial.